Guys, so I'm here with a quick little tutorial showing you guys how I worked with this Dalva Ultima Collagen Protein hair that I was sent by ebonyline.com. And when I tell y'all this is the softest hair I have ever worked with, like whoo-wee. Anyways, here's my braid pattern. Nothing excited, just braids going curved and straight back. And the hair is actually pre-looped, so I simply just pop the bands off and separate the hair into smaller strands so that I have more hair to work with. Super quick, super easy, and this hair was very easy to work with. I started from the back of my head and then I'm going to work my way up. And I will say a major concern that I did have about this hair is because it's slightly silkier and straighter was that the knots wouldn't be able to hold up as well while I'm installing it. But quite the opposite actually. This hair knotted very well, very easily. Like there was no slippage as I was installing, so that was great. At this point, I've only installed one of the two bundles that come in a pack, so it's already filling out. But this next clip is a full pack of hair and it's already filled out the whole back, most of the middle, so we're making progress. I'm still just knotting all throughout my head and I crochet on a net just so I can give myself more flexibility on where I can actually place the knots. Right here I'm showing you how I'm going to be doing an invisible hairline along this last braid right here just so that it's more seamless at the end of the install, but I'm essentially just knotting one side of the loose strand and continuing it all up along the braid. And at the end of it, it's gonna have no visible knots, so no exposure for me. Y'all not gonna catch me slipping out here. And as we work along that braid with that method, you can see that the braid is completely covered with no visible knot showing. For the part, I did the same knotless method that I did along the side braid, but I did the knots within the braid on the inside of it and also the outside just so it looked more natural. But here is 3.5 packs. Completely done. Like the hair is giving body, fullness, everything, and I'm just so obsessed with it. So let's start working on the manipulation of this hair. I'm taking an eyebrow razor and a teasing comb, and I'm going to tease the roots with the teasing comb and then kind of razor up the roots just so that it looks more natural and it looks like it's coming from my scalp because it's textured at the roots and it's not so sudden when it transitions from the crochet hair into my scalp. So I'm thinning out the sides of the hairline just so it's kind of more wispy and just has more natural flow to it as, you know, the wind's blowing and I'm doing my thing. I also take some thinning shears just to kind of thin out the bang area some, and it shapes my face a little bit better. Then I kind of tease it a little bit more because I'm trying to give the girl scalp. But y'all, this is the hair, 3.5 packs of glory, so full. So voluminous. I'm just obsessed with the texture and the feel of this hair. This hair mimics like 4C hair if you got a blowout like right before a silk press, and I think that's just so pretty. Fast forward to the next day after I did my makeup and tied it down some, and it's giving natural tease only. This is my hair. I love it. Bye.